G'day, thanks again for joining us on our trip around Australia. This week we leave our base for a few days, that was Darwin, which we really enjoyed. We head south down towards Katherine, and then we head west along the Victoria Highway. Along the way we see the Gregory Range, which is absolutely spectacular, and we make our way to Timber Creek. It's still hot, it's still humid, but boy are we still having some fun. And the good thing is that we're now just about finishing the NT after a great run there, and we're almost in Western Australia. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
Right, we're in Pine Creek. We've just had lunch. Nice little cafe called Maisie's. Had these lovely chicken and wrap. Well, Craig had a lamb one. It's very nice, wasn't it, Craig?
You tried to steal my lamb wrap.
I did not. I thought that mine was wrong. I wasn't really sure.
I reckon you tried to steal it.
But that's Maisie's over there. And I think the temperature has just gone up.
Yeah, it's about 35. I think.
35 degrees.
A lot of humidity still.
Yeah, still a bit humid. 100k to the homestead, and we're home and hosed for the day.
We headed west into new territory as we left Katherine, heading towards Manboola Station. We found the station interesting. They had a creek there and it was really good for camping and walking around, and I think the caravanners enjoyed it too. We found the cabins left a little bit to be desired. Views were good, but they were probably not in the best state of repair. But apart from that, we enjoyed our stay, and it was great to see the sights as we walked around later that evening. There.
Yeah, I'll meet you on the road just there.
Okay, I'll just start her up. Can you hear me?
Yep, loud and clear. Camera's on.
Next morning we're up bright and early after our stay at Mambulla station, and we're heading towards Timber Creek. We come across a couple that are chasing some cattle down, which is a little bit unusual. And then as we progress along the road, we see some cattle on the road, and unfortunately some were injured, and we saw one dead cow. Further up we started to realise that the cows must have worked their way out of the back of a truck, and unfortunately they fell onto the road. By the time we got up here, the owners had already made good, rounding their cattle up and getting them back to safety. Unfortunate for the animals, but I assume that's the perils of working in the outback. We entered the Victorian River region, and we found that to be a spectacular landscape, very wide and open, with ranges to look at both sides of the road, and we actually had some nice turns as well, which gave it a bit of contrast and perspective. Great spot to ride.
Where we are.
So if you want to look at it, we've come from Darwin, which is up here. We worked all our way down to Katherine yesterday.
Yep.
Stopped at Pine Creek, didn't we?
Yep.
Katherine, and then we went out to, where did we go last night?
Mambulla, which is just out of Katherine.
Somewhere out here somewhere, Mambulla, and then we've been to Victoria River, which is gorgeous.
Yes, it's gorgeous here.
We should have stayed here last
We
night.
should have stayed here last night.
Yeah.
God,
Timber Creek.
what a bugger that. You don't know these things. Like, so much nicer. Look at the view out of here. So we've just stopped at Victoria River.
I love this song.
And Craig's discovered something. What have you found? What does it say?
I can only please one person a day. Today is not good a day. Tomorrow doesn't look good either.
Oh, very nice. So we're here at Victoria River, and we're just cursing a little bit because we really wish that we'd have come and stayed here last night instead of where we did stay, which was not very good. But anyway, that's life. Great stop.
Excellent.
Excellent stop. Beautiful.
Interesting story.
Yeah, her story was very interesting.
Charters Towers, working in mining camps,
Yeah.
doing all the running all the logistics. And now her and her partner are just driving around. They ended up here, and they're going to be here till February because they want to see the wet.
Yeah.
And then they'll head off somewhere else.
Amazing.
All right. Okay.
I'll be coming. Okay, back is down.
You good?
I'm good.
We also enjoyed riding through the Gregory National Park, which happens to be the second largest park in the Northern Territory, or national park in the Northern Territory. And it's also well known for bird species and recognised as such by various organisations. Great place to ride, lots of interesting things to see, and just great country to be in.
a boab tree. Look at that. Yep. Look at them over there. Wow.
Anything interesting? Have you found anything interesting?
Yeah. Craig's looking for crocodiles.
I'm looking for bats.
Oh, you're looking for bats. Well, you don't have to look for bats. You can see the bats. There's a million of them. But there's supposed to be 2 crocodiles down here, 2 freshwater crocs. Don't bring your pets because apparently 2 have gone missing recently. So, a little bit of movement in the water, but we don't know. I probably won't know him or see him until he bites me. So maybe not too close. I know, look at all the bats. Wow. Oh my God, look at them. Have a look out there. I forgot where we are.
Timber Creek.
Thank you. Timber Creek. And the trees are all full of bats.
They're very brown in the sunshine.
Yeah, oh look at this. Look at that.
And they're spraying shit everywhere too. I just got a bit.
Oh, did you? Ew, yuck. Let's keep walking. That's gross.
Can't you feel that?
No.
Water.
I can't feel it.
Water in that.
Woo. We'll go for a walk out the front, see what's out there. Timber Creek, pretty good. Bit wild at the pub. Not so sure about the pub. But anyway, it shuts at 7 o'clock and it's probably a good thing it does shut at 7 o'clock.
No, they're curls. Because they don't make the... They haven't got that. Oh, that sounds like a cocker.
Really is beautiful, isn't it, the scenery? Stunning landscapes. Oh. Looks like there was a bit of partying here last night. All is well. We have the police staying next door to us. Look at this boab tree. Oh, there's another one. Beautiful background behind us. What did you say then?
It's going to be bloody hot.
Yeah.
Flies
God, flies are bad this morning, aren't they? All the rubbish on the lawn.
Nice rubbish everywhere.
Yeah. Today's ride has us crossing over the border into Western Australia for our final destination of the day at Kununurra. In our next episode, we celebrate Craig's birthday with a scenic flight over the Bungle Bungles, and Craig cooks up a storm on the barbecue.